Since I went in and bent the float bowl, this engine has been running really, really good. Oh, first try. 7 miles an hour. But in the meantime, I have gotten in this fully refurbished carburetor. The new one they sent me has different size jets, so smaller jets. I figure I might as well just try out this new carburetor that I got. I can just swap back if for whatever reason I'm not happy with it. Just as I got this thing working pretty good and I think I'm ready to start fixing it better, now I got the new one, but it's a refurb. There's JB Weld on it. There is this extra little vacuum port that I got. It's a bonus. I don't know. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna swap out the carb and see what happens. All right, I got a new carburetor mounted. I'm gonna start this venture by putting on the vacuum seal here. Eventually, I think this guy will end up getting sealed and I'll run this tube over here. But I'm just gonna try and keep everything the same, fire this up in the driveway and see how we do. Turn the battery back on. This is a big moment. Ooh, she jumped to life. What are we idling at? We're low. Where's my flathead? I can hear vacuum. There's a little more idle. It is running. Hold on. Ready? Listen to this. Ready? Oh, I just keyed it. You see, I just keyed the ignition and it turned on. That is not the way this thing usually works. Let me give it a couple. We are at 160 degrees. I am not pumping. I have not pumped since it shut off. I'm just going to give it a touch. We are running just like that. This is spectacular. This is a huge improvement. Going out on the lake tomorrow morning early. We'll see how we do out there. Check back in. The early morning water ski went so well. The boat started one push every single time. The engine is running stronger. It's smoother. There's no stutter in the engine anymore. I do think that we can get it a little torquier out of the hole with some fuel air mixture adjustments, but that's for another day. And it was so good that we decided to pack up the family and head up to Jackson Lake in Wyoming and boat camp on an island. We have brought Pleasant Reaction all the way from Park City, Utah to Jackson Lake, Wyoming. First try. Did you hear about that new carburetor? Engage. It just starts on the first try.
That's what we're looking for.
Oh,